You should only trade liquidity with the binary destroyer if you are swing trading. But did anybody listen to me?
No.
But if they want to scalp liquidity with the binary destroyer, I'm not going to stop them. So currently in the middle of a trading session with the BD members, are actually having a really good day on the charts. A BD member just called a nice little buy on gold, and I just said to him, look, I'll show you here. I said, another buy on gold. Thanks for telling me 5 minutes too late. Could have got in and out on that one. Yeah, last sell. So currently on around 2-1 so far today. We got a loss on gold. I'll actually show you. Most of them were on gold. We had that buy here. We got stopped out. Re-entered here. Won the trade. And then obviously this one here. USD JPY. We took that nice little sell at the top there. So it's been a good all-round trading session. But what I was noticing on GPUSD is a possible liquidity sweep, which is going to be interesting. So as you can imagine, okay, if I just mark up this area here, we've got a nice area of liquidity forming here. So obviously you got to check. Let me just add a 10 moving average so you can actually see the change in character. So you can see here, price has been above the moving average. So price is in an uptrend and now it's closed below the moving average. Obviously price has created a lower low. So a lot of traders out there are looking at a possible sell on GPUSD. And you can see how the liquidity is forming here. Tricking out a lot of traders at the minute. Well, it's not tricking out a lot of traders because nothing's happening at the minute. But a lot of traders are looking to take sell positions from this level. Obviously putting their stop losses above it. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for this level to get tapped into. And then we're going to scale it down to the 5-minute time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame. You can see this area here, this resistance. We know stop losses are being placed here. What we're going to do, wait for this area to get broken into, or tapped into, shall I say. We're going to load up the binary destroyer, and we're going to look for a Mogwai signal at this level. When we get that Mogwai signal, we're going to be taking it down. So yes, a nice little possible liquidity sweep about to happen on GPUSD. So I'll update you again on that. So it's been around 5 minutes now on GPUSD, and I'm just about to enter two trades, shall I say, on GPUSD. So what I've actually done is actually scale down to the 1 minute. So I was looking for a Mogwai setup on the 5 minutes, like I said. But what I've done is I've actually gone down to the 1 minute time frame. And the reason for this is because if I just take it to the 5 minutes, okay, you can see that area just here. You can see that, obviously, that build up of liquidity here. So what I'm looking for really now is I'm looking for liquidity sweep off the 5 minutes. Now we know on the 1 minute it's there. Okay, you zoom in here, you can see it's just tapped above it there, which is going to be tricking a lot of traders thinking, okay, it's going up. You know, is it going down? Is it going up? Because I took a sell, I've got stopped out, so now I'm looking for a buy. Perhaps it's going up. So what I've done is I've gone really all the way from the 1 hour to the 15 to the 5 minutes, and now we are on the 1 minute. And as you can see here, I've entered literally directly at the hour, on the arrow, because this is where I want to get into at this level. I don't particularly want to wait for a change of character. I don't want to wait for the TCA line to change color. I don't want to wait for confirmation, because it's too late. When you trade liquidity, you want to be buying and selling in that zone, in that level. When price gets tapped into, wait for your confirmation, whether that's a Mogwai signal or whatever you're trading. If you're just trading this based around price action, you know, you'd perhaps look for an engulfing candle. I don't know. Okay, I'm looking for a Mogwai signal inside this zone. Once I get that, I'm just going to literally enter the trade. And as you can see here, what I'm going to do is it's currently sitting at around 7 pips. I'm literally just going to go for an in and out scalp on this one. Literally just in and out, no messing, just in and out. Okay. And the reason why I'm going for in and out scalps is just simply because I like it. I like literally getting in and out. As you can see here, how long have I been in this trade for? A minute, maybe 2 minutes, and the trade is currently at around 6 or 7 pips, you know, and that's what I want to do. Get in, get out. How was your trading session today? Great. I did 2 minutes trading. That was it. You know, 2 minutes trading. Yeah, you know, so that's why I don't like holding trades for long periods of time. I have this kind of theory that if you hold trades for long periods of time, you're exposing yourself to more market manipulation. You know, you're exposing yourself to news, certain events that are happening on the market, you know, and if you're in trades for long periods of time, that's happening. You know, as you can see here, price is pulling up. Well, the reason why price is pulling up here is simply because of that support zone. You know, people are now looking for a buy off this support zone here, thinking price is going to go up. Well, we know which way the market's going to head. We know it's heading down. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it like that. I'll leave it like this here. And what I'll do is I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back in a few minutes time. I'm just going to nip to the toilet and I'll come straight back. So TP has just been filled on GPUSD, as you can see here. It kind of popped up nicely, and then the TCA lines just turned red now. Now, obviously, I already entered before the TCA line changed color. But yeah, good trade. Let me just update the beat. Obviously, as you can see here, GPUSD. This was that sell on USDJPY. Obviously, you know, you can see all the trades we took today. We did get a few losses at the start. I'm currently sitting around £171, but obviously this is that 5k account. It's currently still sitting at 90% win ratio, 3.4% drawdown. Started off with £5,000 deposit on the 3rd of January. Today's date is the 19th of January. And yeah, it's currently just ticking over. Obviously, what I did with this account is literally high risk, doubled the account in a week. And then since then, I've kind of just given up with it. I only really trade this account for my YouTube videos. Most of the time I'm trading my other account, but yeah, I'm building it up slowly still. Let me just see what the BD members are saying. As you can see here, it's dropped nicely. I mean it's currently around 15 pips. Like I said, you normally with these kind of setups can get a lot more pips, but I just literally like to get in and out, no messing about with these setups, just in and out. That is it, done. You know, let me just see what the BD members are saying. You entered on, yes, 10 pips SL, 10 pips TP. Filming it for my YT channel. Hope you jumped on it too. So just to show everyone, I did actually call this trade, GPUSD. I actually made a video and actually sent it to them. They said no error in 5 minutes. Yes, 10 pip PL, 10 so you can see here. Just have a quick look at the trade. Again, just pulled down nicely. So yeah, nice little in and out scalp on GPUSD. No messing, in and out, beautiful trade. So yeah. Hi everyone, it's been around 20 minutes now, and I just want to give you a quick update on that GPUSD setup that I took earlier. So as you know, I took around 10 pips on the trade, but the trade hit target, hit the bottom zone, which is around 20 pips. Like I said, if you're swing trading this move, you'd get a lot more setup, you get a lot more pips out of the trade. But again, it's just not my style of trading. So yeah, that's an update on GPUSD. And again, hope you enjoyed that video.